Good morning, guys. It's about 5:30 in the morning, and I'm out here at Versailles State Park getting ready to fish. It's a little dark. It's going to be quite the interesting day because it got some kind of bike, running, swimming thing going on here, and kayaking. So we figured we'd get out here early because I want to catch some carp today. This whole year has been crap on fishing. We caught some, but not like we did last year. So today, hopefully that will change. We're going to fish morning, go home about 11 o'clock, get some yum-yums, take a little nap probably, and come back again this evening. But guys, I will talk to you when it gets more daylight. Then I put the GoPro on the head and all that other junk. Right now we're going to walk down there and try to set up in the dark. Well, we're off to a good start. Dough ball got dry because we made it last night and left it out. But we wet it down and mosquitoes are biting. That's about the only thing biting right now. But they have something going on up here. And it may be actually people swimming here in this lake about maybe 200 yards down that way. I don't know if that's going to affect the fishing or not. But we're ready. Poles are out. I'm hoping the dough ball's on the hook still. We're ready, man. Hopefully it'll be happening. I'll report back after a while when it gets daylight. The video clip or clips you seen was done from this morning. Guys, I made an amateur move and I'm going to blame it on fatigue. We got up early this morning and decided to go fishing. Only to get out there and make the first couple clips, which seemed to be fine. Then a dozen clips after that, I had to zoom in. But there were some clips I was able to get. Well, when we got out there, we didn't realize they was going to have a Dino. Let me get the right name. Dino triathlon. They had people swimming. They had people running through the trails. They had regular runners. And they had kayakers. Now, I did get some footage of that. But before I show you the footage of that, I did get two either fish on or turtles on, but right when I got them to the bank, they got off. I'm going to run that footage now. I hope it's not a turtle. It feels like a turtle. I don't know. Oh, son of a gun. Whatever it was. It got away. Whatever it was. Oh, son of a gun.
Do you need me?
Nah.
Okay. Sure.
Oh, I hope you ain't a turtle. Oh, what's up with that? They get right there, then I lose them. That's the second one. Still got my worm at least. Now the next footage I'm going to run is the triathlon. Now we didn't know that was going on up there this morning. So we're going to run some of that footage now. Then I'll be back to tell you what we're doing. Don't know if I got this on here, but I believe there's the swimmers right there. They're doing their thing. From what I gather, there's only two of them. See if I get in a little closer. There we go. It's about as close as I could get it right there, guys. There's two of them right there.
If you swing to the right, there's a whole bunch behind.
From what I gather, Angie's, oh, there's a whole bunch, yep. That's what Angie told me. There's some more that way. There's some more that way. Yeah, there's a lot of them out there. What's funny is, if they have trouble, they're being told to stand up because the water's very shallow. I bet you it's hard to swim through this water, it being so shallow. And here comes the runners right here. And a whole bunch of runners. Here comes some of the bikers. They're getting ready to do the trails. There's some of the helpers up there telling them which way to go. Here comes another biker, and he's kicking some serious booty too. Look at this. He is a flat out getting it. There he is. Holy. And there he goes. This right here is the trail runners. This is the 5 miles right here. My gosh, my hat is off to these people. I'm telling you that now. Holy. One day I would love to do the trail run. Instead of hiking it, run it. Oh my gosh, look at all these people. Holy. We're going straight up the trail that has the creeks. We've taken that trail lots of times, but there they go. And there's one of the bikers right there. Now he just got done swimming laps too. Oh, I do believe it got him a fish. At least somebody's catching them around here. Okay, I didn't want to have to narrate the first part of this video, but looks like I'm doing it. And I'm afraid this video is going to probably be long, just like the hiking videos. I was going to put it to 2 parts, but you know what? Let's put it all together, because we're making some fresh dough ball. Oh yeah, we had to leave there earlier today, because we ran out of bait. Believe it or not, we ran out of bait. So we're making fresh dough ball. We're going to get some worms on the way, and we're going back and we're going to fish into the evening. And hopefully, I can catch some fish. Guys, this whole year's been a string of bad luck for fishing for me and Ange. Last year at this time, we've caught trillions, well, not trillions. We've caught lots of fish last year at this time. This year, we've caught fish, and we caught some pretty good sized carp. But nothing like we did last year. Let's hope that luck changes tonight. So, the next vlog entry will either be out from Versailles State Park Lake or somewhere else, because our cousins just notified us an hour ago that place was still pretty crowded and they had it roped off where we want to go fishing. So we will see. I'm going to make the dough ball and we'll see you guys within an hour. We have arrived. We checked out a spot that we went to last year. It's feasible, but we want to go there basically when we go on vacation and maybe in the next month. But you can see they still have all the setup here for what they had here this morning. But we're right here on the further part of the water going out, or where the land goes out in the water more. And yeah, we're fishing. I don't know how well we're going to do tonight. I just know it's hot and humid, but not as bad as it was when we was there at the Oxbow that one day. But whatever we do, God, I hope it's better than what it's been. Folks, I need to start catching some dang fish. I am on a dry streak again. I don't know what's up. But if it was for turtles, oh, I'm way up. I'm above my limit on turtles. I've caught so many turtles. All right, I'm gonna get the fish in. You smell that?
No.
For a second there, it smelled like a skunk. Oh God, I hope not. When we got here, Angie went to the camp store and bought some rocks. These rocks right here, they're glow-in-the-dark rocks. So, yeah, it's kind of cool. I thought you was only gonna get one rock, but you got many.
No, you had to get them by the bag. As many as you could fit in the bag.
As many as you can fit in the bag.
And of course it's purple.
Okay, real quick, an update on my back. It's better. Still a little sore here and there. Now, what's that mean? Am I going to do any trails soon? Well, don't know yet. The next video may be another fishing video. But remember, vacation's coming up in 2 weeks for me. And we're going to be doing lots of trails, lots of things. And maybe then I might actually do some kayaks or rowboating. I keep saying I'm going to do it, but I haven't. There's a reason why, but I'm going to hold back on that for the day I do it. The day I do it. We're probably going to do that on vacation. But yeah, my back is better, so probably the next video after this one, more than likely will be a fishing one unless something changes. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow. We may do a trail, we may fish, we don't know. But I do know I ain't doing nothing as far as I know in the morning. I want to sleep in. Because the whole week, I mean, there's only one day out of the week I can actually sleep in. And sometimes there's no day. So I'm going to take advantage of that one day. So if we do anything tomorrow, it'd be of the evening. Okay, we just realized something. We may not do any good tonight on fishing. Let me tell you why. Right up in this area right here is where they had the swimmers out this morning and the kayakers, and they splashed all through this area. Of course, that was many hours ago. What would you say? That was about maybe 8 hours ago. So I do know, I guarantee it scared the fish away when they were doing what they were doing, but that was 8 hours ago. Does that mean they're still scared now? I fear that might be the case. Well, it's almost 7 o'clock, so we'll see if I start getting any hits. I have a worm on the pool I call Roscoe, which is this pool right here. I have a dough ball on this pool right here I call Dumpster, which is right here. And I would tell you the names of the pool, but trust me, they're Walmart specials. Well, actually, that one was the $80 pool. Still a Walmart special, so is it really important to tell the names? If you guys ever want to know the names, what kind of pools I got, leave me comments. And by the way, I have something to say about that in the next couple videos about the comments. I have a way where I can answer all of your comments a whole bunch easier. Just saying. Guys, I'm going to sit back and not do any more vlog entries until I maybe start getting some action, maybe? I was told this morning by my buddy Sam, he's actually a cousin. He was saying it was possible I did have carp online this morning. And this time of year, the carp's mouth gets soft and you have to set your drag. And that's why they were getting off. It's possible I could have had carp on there this morning. I'm thinking it could be turtle because, my God, folks, I've caught more turtles this year alone than I ever had last year or ever in my entire life. I say we're on number, what, 15 turtles this year alone? If not more? Yeah. And I don't, obviously, I have put some of them on video, but most of them, no. I'm getting good at taking hooks out of their mouth now, or their legs, or wherever I hook them. Alright, guys, we're starting to get subtle bites, and God, you know, and I tell you what, we've caught so many damn turtles, folks. Every bite I get is like, oh God, it's probably a turtle. Every time I get a fish on, or whatever, I was like, God, I hope it ain't a turtle. That's how bad it's been for us. So if we was fishing for turtles this year, oh, we'd be happy. The wildlife, guys, the wildlife. You ever wonder what they're thinking? Probably sitting there thinking, why are all these fools in our park fishing? This is our property. With the wildlife. And there they go without a care in the world. It's funny how we say that, isn't it? 'Cause I bet you they have lots of cares. Hell, what would we know? We're not geese. I'll tell you something strange. When we got here, it was hot and humid. But it's cloudy and it's actually kind of cool. Yeah, the weather is perfect right now. I'm hoping it's this way tomorrow. We're thinking about going to a spot we never tried. Let me show you. Last year we was right there. Didn't do no good. So we're thinking about going on down the shoreline where these people are. Let me back up a little bit. Right over there where them people are. We're thinking about giving that a shot. Oh, there's a kayaker going by. Or we go down where this other guy is right there and even try to fish that angle. Just a thought. Well, we've had some bites, but no fish yet. Yeah, we've been sitting here just talking. Spending the evening, this is what we do best. We like to sit out here, not only fish, make plans, and have a good time and just talk about life. Life in general. I'm coming up on 28 years of marriage, guys. Yeah. Next couple weeks, I'll be married 28 years. Yeah. All of our children are out of school. They're all doing their own thing. We're doing our own thing. Life is good. It is. But it's weird because this is the first year I didn't have a kid in school. She noticed I took the hat off. Yeah. It's a little cooler this way. I had to change batteries in the GoPro, but we're going to kick it out until about, I'm guessing, when it gets a little too dark, and we'll go from there, man. I was hoping we'd catch at least something tonight, but my bad luck streak continues. Well, our bad luck streak continues. Yeah, this morning we had the triathlon. It was kind of cool. Had the, I don't know if they were turtles on or fish on, it's hard to say, but this morning, I don't know, it's because, I don't know if I've told you, when I get excited about doing something, I don't sleep. Any of you all like that when you get excited about something, you can't sleep? And I couldn't sleep worth a damn, so I got up really early in the morning, got myself ready, and we came out here. That was the plan anyway. And once we got set up, I started getting a bellyache. Oh, man. And then the triathlon started, so we got some footage of that. And but I feel way better tonight. I went home, got me some Yum Yums, and that's when I did I had to do the narrate because this morning I goofed up on the video. I had to zoom in. Yeah, can't do that. Amateur mistake, amateur move. But I feel so much better tonight, but the time's running down. Yeah, that's what happens when you get yourself a little nap in and get some Yum Yums in your belly and you feel good. And plus the weather tonight is awesome, my God. But the fish ain't biting, folks. They just are. No, that's not true. I have been getting bites, but not as many as you think. So we ain't catching them tonight either. Our bad luck, well, kind of, if you want to call catching turtles. So it kind of continues. We're thinking about fishing tomorrow evening, so we'll go ahead and make another video. I'm not closing it out yet. We'll make another video tomorrow fishing. Then probably the next series of videos might be some hiking or something else. Then we'll go on vacation. And oh boy, that's going to be fun. Okay, let me duck underneath my line here. It's getting dark, so we're going to go ahead and close her out. But I'm going to keep the GoPro on my head, just in case we get any, and there's still enough light to actually get video of it. But the night's closing down, so we're just going to kick it out a little longer and see what we can do. Guys, it's been all over the map today. We've had bites. Hold on. I'm going to be right back. Had a subtle bite there, so I had to check it, but we've had quite the morning. We're going to probably do this again, so the next video will be a fishing adventure. Maybe then we'll start catching them. But I'm going to let the GoPro stay. If it doesn't get it at night, it doesn't get it if we get anything at all. But guys, thanks for watching. Leave me comments, and we'll see you next time, as we're going fishing again. Then we do some trails and stuff, or something. Until then, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching, y'all.